teams were smitten by the quaint little hill station of Pachmadi as they drove around the scenic streets, its golf course, the sharp drive up Dhupgarh and the steep trek into Beefall. The teams are now refreshed and recharged for our game ahead, but it is not going to be easy for them. Satpura Tiger Reserve, a vast area of 524 square kilometers. Every inch of this territory belongs to the majestic tiger. And right in the heart of this tiger reserve is a place called Long Chakkar. Today, the challenge for our contestants is off-roading. They will have to negotiate their XC60s through this dangerous wild jungle. Its thick groves, its thorny bushes, and a specially created slushy, slippery mud pit. At the end of the day, one of the teams will have to go home. It is Elimination Day. Who will it be this time? Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We're in the heart of the Tiger Reserve in Satpura, and this place is called Long Chakkar. That said, no second guesses for what we're going to do today. It's going to be exciting, it's going to be fun. It is also going to be a new challenge and a new skill that all of you are going to be tested on. Are you looking forward to your off-roading?
Yes.
Well, to help you out, I have with me a very accomplished off-roader, someone who has been in charge in central India for safety and also for mapping out a lot of the off-roading that happens here. He has years of experience behind him. I will hand you over now, Mr. Pramod Sharma. Pramod Sharma is a rally driver and an off-roading enthusiast. He has participated in many national and international rallies. He has also been actively involved in the safety and route selection for many Indian rallies. Pramod will be judging our contestants in today's challenge. The track made by him has been carefully selected, keeping the contestants' off-roading abilities and experience in mind.
Well, off-roading is fun. These cars are not just built for city driving and what you've been doing so far. These cars are capable of doing much, much more. I've been into rallies for a long, long time. I started when I was 15. I wish they had brought these Volvos then. Volvo's XC60 and XC90 are very, very capable cars on the road and off the road. So I checked out this car and I passed it in all aspects. I've kept a very mild kind of off-roading in mind. This little track that you're going to see goes around this hill. There are bits of pits, bits of clumps of trees, low-hanging branches, some bushes. Don't lose your nerve. Safety is the paramount important feature here. I'll be judging you how you are going to drive through those terrains. In this, mainly points are aptitude, second is anticipation before you are approaching a bend or a hillock or a downward grade, then control and a bit of reversing, of course, uphill.
Anyone out here who's familiar with off-roading?
Well, I've never done something to this scale, but the tip that I do have is that be easy on everything. No harsh movements, no harsh steering, no harsh braking, no harsh acceleration.
Well, off-roading is the thing which I'm here for. You can see the smile on my face when you say it off-roading. Like, I'm super excited today.
Here's the joker in the pack. Not just one, but both the teammates will be required to drive through the map terrain.
Any questions?
Is there a speed limit?
There is no speed limit.
How would you suggest we approach the pit?
Best is don't lose traction. If you're too slow, the car will lose power and the wheels will start drifting. And if you're too fast, the same thing will happen.
That said, we're going to start with the first team, which is the White Knights. Sandeep, here's your car keys. Go.
For starting, we were the first ones to take off. Yeah, track looks very exciting and we'll have to maintain the pace as well. So I'm sure we're going to make through it. The exciting part of the track is the track itself. The location, the way it's been chosen. The twists and turns is really exciting. This is going to be a good chance for me to explore myself even more better. Where's the flag that we're supposed to go to? Even here, navigating is quite important. We need to remember the twists and turns where we're supposed to turn left or right. What we are concerned is about the car. We need to take care of it, and that baby will take care of us.
Okay.
He drove well, that I'm very sure. I don't know if I can drive so as well as him. I'm a little nervous. Let's see what happens. Exciting lag raha hai and looking forward to driving through it. ऐसे टेरेन में एक तो पहली बार ऑफ रोडिंग कर रही हूँ एंड थोड़ा सा कॉशियस रहना पड़ेगा तो लेट्स सी
Now this reverse. So yeah. Go reverse. I'll tell you. Go. Just go. Just accelerate. Trust me. Don't worry. Just trust me. Believe me. Trust me. Just accelerate. Enough. Yeah. Perfect. Okay. Perfect. Let's go. A lot of off-roading have been done. We cannot be overconfident about anything because we cannot expect what will come ahead. Trust me. Yeah. Go right. Come on right. Just listen to me now. Go right. Yeah. Perfect. I'll tell you what to do. If you just listen to me, trust me, we'll get out of it.
You don't touch the steering.
I will not. Okay, I will not. Okay, enough. Little bit. Slowly. Enough. Now slowly accelerate. Please listen to me. Not too much of right. Slowly put the torque. Very slowly. Yeah. Left. Go. Right. Go right. I tell you, just very generally accelerate. Very calm. Accelerate. Go. Yay!
Okay.
Driving for the first time on this terrain. Stressed in the end because that is where we got stuck.
Razia got stuck in a mud pit, and in the struggle to come out, she wasted precious seconds. She felt let down by her own performance, and it showed.
Getting stuck is okay. Getting out of it is better. What matters. Yeah, we got out of it.
I didn't want to get stuck there, but I got it. So that's disappointing.
The next team, step forward.
Yeah, I thought that in one episode there will be only off-roading. So I thought today is the day when there will be off-roading. And when we came to this place, there were a lot of hills, pits and a forest. So I thought today is the day that I was waiting for.
That's it.
Didn't come up to the point, and then while reversing he was in a hurry and he didn't go back all the way. He lost time on that. Total traction he's lost now that this car is as good as stuck. Now the only way he can do anything is in slowly he should move forward and then rev up and come out.
When I was in that pit, I was trapped inside. So when I took my first reverse and wheel spin started, I was pretty sure I'm not getting out of it. I actually lost hope that I'll ever get out of that thing. But then Arvindji was always there and he said that no, we can do it somehow.
And then go that side.
Over there in the pit, patience was something that actually worked. Because if when I was trapped and I lost patience and I was hitting it harder and harder, then we could have never came out of the pit.
If he had slowed down there, approached it gently, he would have gone. But he saw this, he probably braked once. And then ideally he should have come into this area, which is the dryer side, and taken the car up towards that flag on the right hand side. That's what he did ultimately, and he came out.
In the first lap, I was actually carefully looking at what the route was, where the turns and twists are. When it was my turn to drive, I sat on the wheels and started. And believe it or not, 90% of that off-roading was a cakewalk for me.
In reverse. Sharp right. Sharp left. Sharp left. Left.
When we reached the ditch, that was the moment. When I committed a small fault. I was trying to negotiate the ditch a bit too fast. I knew inside my mind that I was uncomfortable at that speed. I think I should have reduced.
He was doing very well. The moment he reached halfway, he should have approached it slower. He was a bit too fast and he lost control of the car.
I just said two things: increase the speed a little bit and hold the steering really hard so that car doesn't go anywhere. Go, 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 go.
It was a nice off-roading, except this part. The patch has become more slippery, slightly more treacherous. So obviously you got to have the steering absolutely perfectly aligned.
Oh shit.